Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this beautiful granny square. Very easy. We can do it in square or in rectangular. And we will make also the assembly. We can use this kind of granny for tablecloth, for placemat, for blanket, bed cover, bag, or top. You can take any kind of yarn, um, a cotton, a thin cotton. You can use any kind. I will take this one. It's 80% cotton and 20% other fiber. I will use 3 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, yarn needle to hide all the end yarn. I think that's all what we need. Very beautiful. I will leave you in the description bar the diagram. You can follow with me. Start with 6. Start with chain 6. In the diagram it's 8, but I prefer start with chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close our chain on the first one by slip stitch. Our first row, chain 3, to count as first double crochet, and the third one it's separate chain. In the circle we will make 11 double crochet with chain 1. This is my second double crochet because count the chain 2 as double crochet. Chain 1, my third double crochet, chain 1, 4, and we continue till we have 12 double crochet with chain 1 as separation. We count the chain 2 as double crochet. I'm at the end of my first row. I have 12 double crochet, chain 1, and 1, 2 in the 2, close with slip stitch. Row 2. Move with slip stitch in this space. Chain 2. Count as our first double crochet. Now yarn over in the same space. I make double crochet, but I will leave it like that. In the same space, one double crochet, but without close it. Now we have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, close all the 3 loops. Now chain 3, 2, 3. In the next space I will repeat the 3 double crochet but without close them. This is my first, keep it like that, my second, and my third. Yarn over, pass under the 4 loops. Chain 3. In the next space, we repeat the 3 double crochet and my third one. Yarn over, close all the loops, chain 3, and we need to repeat that till we finish our row, and we will have 12 groups of double crochet. I'm at the end of my row 2. Now don't forget to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Close on this loop, on this one, and make slip stitch. Row 3. Move in this space with single crochet. Now we need to chain 7 to create the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the next, 1 single crochet. This is our first corner. Now chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, yes. In the next, 1 single crochet. We repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next space, 1 single crochet. After chain 5 twice, we need to create our second corner with chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the next space, 1 single crochet. Twice chain 5 and chain 7 for the second corner. We need to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In next space, 1 single crochet. We need to repeat now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In next space, 1 single crochet. Now my third corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the next space, 1 single crochet. My third corner. I need to repeat twice chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next, 1 single crochet. We repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next, single crochet. Now we need to create the corner number 4 with chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the next space, 1 single crochet. We have 4 corners. Now we need to make twice chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last space, 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch on the first single crochet. And we have finished our row 3. We have 4 corners with 4 sides. My last row, row 4. Move in the first space. This is my first corner with slip stitch and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Count as our first double crochet. In the space, we need to add 6 double crochet. With the chain 3, we will have 7 double crochet. This is my second 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 double crochet. We count the chain 3. We need to add 7 double crochet, but we need to separate with chain 3. In the same space, 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is our first corner. In the next space, 1 single crochet. Chain 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next space, one single crochet. In the next space, the second corner, we need to repeat 7 double crochet, chain 3, 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. In the same space, 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And this is our second corner. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next, one single crochet. We are on the third corner. We need to make 7 double crochet, chain 3, 7 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 3. Now 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. My third corner. One single crochet in the next space, sorry. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next space, one single crochet. My last corner with 7 double crochet, chain 3, 7 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain 3, in the same space, 7 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the next, one single crochet, next space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last space, one single crochet. Now count 3 and close with slip stitch. we have finished our square with granny square, our granny square, chain 1 and cut the yarn. I start my second square, this is the first one, and I made 2 corners, and the third one I made just 7 crochet, and we need to assemble with the first one. Now, as usual, we make 3 chain 3, but now we need to make chain 1, take the first square, take it as that, wrong side on the wrong side. In this space on the corner, I will put here my hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet. Chain 1, and we have a total 3 chain, 3 stitch. I need to make now in my second square 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now 1 single crochet in this space. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. Take your first square in this space, 1 single crochet. I have 3 stitch now and chain 2, and we have in total 5 stitch. In the next space 1 single crochet, and this is the result. We have make the assembly of two squares. Now 7 double crochet on the second square, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We need to attach now, chain only 1 and take the first square in the corner and make single crochet. This is my second stitch. Add 1 and make 7 double crochet on the second square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have attached the 2 squares. Now we need to continue and close our last row. 1 single crochet in the next, chain 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 slip stitch on the third one. This is our second piece. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. I will start with the third square now. This is my third piece. I made 1, 2, and the half of the third corner. We need to attach now. Place it like that, and we will attach in this corner, the 2 corner, and in the center. Don't forget to chain 1 and take your piece like that. Wrong side on the wrong side, and put your single crochet count out as our second stitch. Chain 1 now, 7 double crochet on my third piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. One single crochet in the next space. Now we need to chain only 2. Take our second piece, sorry, and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, in this space one single crochet. Now in the corner we will make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1, take the last corner, this one, on the second piece, and one single crochet. Chain 1, and we will make our 7 double crochet. Seven double crochet on the row on the corner 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one single crochet in the next space, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, one single crochet and slip stitch on the third one. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. We have joined the 2 squares. The last one we will join with one corner 2 and 3. I have my 4th square. The last row I did one corner and half corner. I will join here, here and here. Chain 1, take the 3 square, wrong side on wrong side, and make one single crochet and chain 1. Now on the square 4, 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. one single crochet in the next space, chain 2, 1, 2, take the third square and single crochet in this space, chain 2, and one single crochet in this space, 7 double crochet on this last, I think last, no, third corner, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain only 1, take the corner, in the center. We need to work in the center. And make one single crochet. Chain 1, 7, now 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We join this side, we need to join the last one. Now one single crochet in this space, chain 2, take the third square and one single crochet in this space, chain 2, in this space one single crochet, and start our 7 double crochet in the last corner, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 1, last corner, and we join with the last corner, one single crochet, chain 1, and one single crochet in the next space. Oh, sorry, 7 before, 7 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7. One single crochet now, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, one single crochet, and slip stitch in the third one. Uh, Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we have joined all the pieces. It's very beautiful, and um, we can make it bigger than that. We can add more pieces. We can use this kind of granny for the clothes, the cloth, I think, no, the tablecloth, sorry, placemat, bag, top. This is a tutorial of today, and I hope that you enjoy it and try it. It's very easy. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.